is going on, guys? This is Ankan here from Editech Tips, and this is a short unboxing and review of the new power bank called ROG ITP 105, and I have brought it from Amazon for about 499 rupees. Usually the price of this power bank in Amazon and Flipkart is about 600 rupees or 599 rupees, but I have brought from the Amazon Great Indian Sale within 500 rupees. So within 500 rupees seems to be pretty good deal. So if you want to buy this power bank, obviously link will be in the description, so obviously go ahead and check it out. So enough talk here. Now quickly go to the unboxing of this power bank. So here we get a pretty simple box here, and in the package there is nothing, and this is the box itself that looks like. Here some key specifications are written over here. You can see the MRP written over here is about 1799 rupees, and there are two color variant, one is white and one is black, but I have brought the white variant of this power bank, but it is highly recommended to buy the black variant of this power bank because the white will get dirty by time. And here you can see the specifications are written over here. The model number is 1 ITP 105, and the input voltage is DC 5 volt and 2.1 ampere, and the output will be the same as well. And the battery capacity are written over here 10,000 mAh, and the battery type is lithium ion. And this power bank comes with 1 year of warranty. Within 1 year, you face any problem with that, you can obviously call to Amazon and they will take necessary step after that. So open the box and let's see what kind of packaging we get inside of it. And there is the power bank itself. Just keep it aside and see what else we get inside the box. And here we are getting a very tiny little basic quality USB cable for charging the devices like mobile and other devices. You can see here it's a small USB cable and enough in size, so let's keep it aside. Here you can see the brand name, which is ROG are here placed, and there are 4 LED indicators that will indicate the battery power. Each of the LEDs indicate 25% of the charge, so the 4 indicates 100% of the charge. And on the back side of the power bank there are 10,000 mAh written over here, and it's obviously made in India. So here 10,000 mAh is written over here. That does not mean that you will get approximately 10,000 mAh, but during charging up devices it will lose some powers by the means of temperature and other means. So by calculation you are getting at about 6,400 mAh. On the side you can see there is the power button and 2 USB port for charging this, and 1 USB-C type port, and also the basic USB-C type port for charging the power bank. And I will show you that how it's charged. I will connect the USB cable to the single port of this power bank, and I will connect my mobile phone to see whether it's able to charge my mobile phone or not. You can see the LEDs are automatically turned on and it's charging my mobile. I'm not sure that if you're unable to see this. As you can see that my mobile phone is charging. Now when your mobile phone is fully charged, you plugged off the cable and then double press the power button to turn off the power bank. The power bank will take about 7 to 8 hours to fully charge, so you can charge it overnight. It will not harm the battery, and it comes with a lithium ion battery. So in handy it's a little bit of heavy, but looks very premium in hand. And as I told before, that you must buy the black variant of this because the white will get dirty by time. So after the long research I have brought this power bank, and I think within 500 rupees price range, this power bank is about one of the best available in the online market. The best buying link will be in the description, so definitely go ahead and check if you are interested to buy this. So this is it, guys. Also subscribe my channel. I will post more interesting tech related tips, tutorials, unboxing, reviews. We'll see you guys in the next one.